If you need to recover your MemberStack account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the MemberStack login page. Go to the MemberStack website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option to recover your account, which is usually found near the password entry field. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Use alternative recovery options. If you cannot access your email, check for alternative recovery options. MemberStack may allow you to verify your identity through a phone number or social media account linked to your profile. Step 4. Contact MemberStack support. If alternative recovery options are unavailable or unsuccessful, reach out to MemberStack support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to help verify your identity. Step 5. Follow support instructions. Once you contact support, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask for additional information or verification steps to help you regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your MemberStack account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to support for further assistance.